This cable is ideal for chandeliers and antique light fittings because it is extra thin and it's also double insulated, which means it can be run external to the light fitting. Its small dimensions means that it has the minimum visual impact. In this video I'll show you how to prepare the flex, and I'll show you a typical lamp holder that it works with. So how can this be double insulated when it is such a thin cable? Well, the answer lies in the insulation itself. It is a special high performance insulation which is similar to Teflon, and it is heat resistant, and it also means that it can be very thin while still tough and also classed as being an electrical insulation. So to strip back this cable, you first snip in the middle of it like this and pull away the outer insulation. Then, using a wire stripper, strip back 5mm of the inner insulation, like so. We also recommend tinning the ends using solder, or in this case we use ferrules. This cable has a certain rigidity which allows it to be pushed through narrow spaces within the lights, but it is flexible enough to mould around profiles, especially when tied back using a specific tie such as fuse wire or similar. Thank you for watching this video. We hope that it has been useful, and you may want to have a look at the other chandelier wire options that we have if this one isn't quite right for you.